Go, Vail!
Let it go!
Yes.
Who I roll? Oh!
Good job.
Yeah, Noah!
Yeah, Noah.
Hey. Right! Don't need to always be tired. Let's do with them. Kick it. I should kick this. Yeah.
Ray, you already chased.
Zach!
Oh, you hurt himself.
Thank you, sir.
Brendan's here, you guys.
Do you see them fucking chirping? This AR over here?
Let's go. Go, Sable!
Yeah, hit it, Reese.
Ah.
Hi.
Hey, Brandon.
Get it out. Go, Sue! Go, Diego!
Yeah. Ball.
Chase, let's go.
Most tightest, most solid.
Are you guys the best? Beat Aspen.
Pass, they're still down
Alright,
one.
make sure I get this shit.
Go, Vail!
Nice.
Let's go, Ethan!
And this is a good run.
Go down.
That's what I can
Keep it!
Alright, good. Keep it in. Oh, that is.
Just guiding in.
Jump, boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go, Reese. Oh, hold it.
Let's go! Nice, Vail!
Hold that back.
Go, Ethan! Nice work! Go, Raiders!
Come on, Zach. Run.
There, Vail! Nice work!
Let's go, move. How'd they have advantage? Let's go, baby! Yes! Let's go!
Work.
Get it low! Nice.
Good job, pass. Good job.
Fast, backfield, fast.
You fucking fell on him, bro.
Come on, Diego!
Get him low! Yeah!
Good work, Charles. 4? What?
Good work, Joey.
What is that for?
Good shit, fast. Let's go.
Huh? Hard to see from here.
Yeah,
Good,
Joey.
Joey.
Yes, baby. Come on, Noah. MVP.
Nice pass, Maddie! Go, Sammy!
Ooh!
Out of the fucking head.
You came from the side. Yeah, damn it. Let's go, Blue.
We're good.
There you go. Yes, Jack. Yes.
Why are you?
Didn't see it. Didn't see it. Didn't happen. Oh, come on. Right. With you. Yeah, fold over. We have it.
What?
Get him down!
Come on, boys. Here we go, boys.
Keep it up in the field! Samu! Come on! Get their deck!
Get their deck! That's your.
Go,
Joe! Go, Joe!
Go, Evan! Well, do it. Yeah! Yeah, Charles!
He's down.
Way to go, Zach!
Zach, let's go. Well done, Reese. Get up, Reese, get out.
He just
Turn around, boys.
good. Connect quick.
Get up!
Oh, hit that.
Let's go!
It was such an opportunity.
Yeah. No. That's crazy. And he's just let out of the rucks right now.
I hope we don't need to put that much pressure.
No.
They're getting frantic already. You saw that quick tap by.
But it's just good because like some of my classmates results in the short time.
Yeah.
Some of them have
Where's No, it's still Tuesday, Thursday for us.
Let's get
Another Zach.
Shut it down!
Let's go, locks now. I guess you're nice.
We're still Tuesday, Thursday. It's Rush, that's Monday, Wednesday.
Keep it up.
Damn.
Go, Mace! Hold that ball, baby!
Keep going, Bill!
He's down.
Nice, Seymour! Nice run, Zach!
Let's go!
Get there, Bill! Lock him up! Slow it down.
Oh, he's a dog! Oh, he's a dog!
Run away!
Yeah, he is.
Let's go! Get there with it!
Stay up.
Go, Joe! Joey!
Go, Maddie. Someone get with him.
Get there, Diego! Woo!
Hey, Charles,
Get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out.
Run hard.
Get over him. Let's go. Come on.
Obstruction?
Zach, great run. Keep it up. Keep it up. Zach, you
Let's go, Pack. Let's go, Blue. Do it again, baby.
Let's go.
Do it again, Pack. Come on, Vail. Let's go, Vail. Come on, Vail. Good fucking work, boys. Let's get this. 1, 8, 2, back, middle. Let's go, Diego! Told you before you can't go straight. Okay, Fregley, it's okay. 5 more green.
Early push.
Yeah, Vail! Yeah! Come on, baby!
Discipline, let's go.
That's an early push, sir. Keep him in line.
We shipped him in from Africa.
No, I love this dude.
He's I know. Okay. He's just from Zimbabwe.
Let's go, boys! Come, Vail!
Hold him back!
Yeah, Vail!
Nice,
Come on, don't be scared!
Get the ball! Get that number 8!
Go! Get him again! Hold him up! Hold him up!
Oh, get him out!
Hold the ball! Don't let him release! Not playable! Yes, sir, Charles! Good work, Charles!
Fantastic, Fezzy. Let's go.
Good work, Charles!
Good shit, Ethan.
Nice work.
Good job, Charles! Yes, sir! Tom, Jessel, about 2 minutes.
Let's go.
You see Charles collapse on it because you don't have to roll anymore. So right as it fell, he just laid down on it.
Good job, Charles! Yes, sir! On, Fregley.
Let's go, E. Who was Fred?
Boys, come on, boys.
Let's go, Vail! Come on, man!
Oh.
Come on, Diego.
Big scrum!
Hole in his
Long back left.
Come on.
Space! Space move! Yes, Rufy.
Go, mate.
That boy's fast as fuck!
What's the call? Fuck's sake. That's our line out.
Let's go, dog!
Oh, not the mouth guard, not the run out. Let's go, Jessel!
Seven's just a bitch. He's not.
Good shit, Charles. Let's go!
Come on.
Yes, Noah!
Literally shouldered him in the face, bro.
Come on, Fregley! Space!
That was a forward pass!
Forward pass!
Get it!
Waters has been inside the condo, so this guy is crazy. Wow. We made it? Nice. 24-24. Yeah.
How the fuck you make that?
Gotta kick it.
Move!
Knock it.
Go! Rock him!
Use it!
Let's go, you settle it. Yep.
Go back to the
I'm not.
Come on, Bill. Is he behind the 22? Break the fucking bench in the house. You fucking gotta play heavy.
That's some of my bad.
That's forward.
That was forward.
Listen here. Come on, work, defense.
You see how he like softens up on his rum?
That will do indeed. Wait for them to make a mistake, y'all.
Yes, Dom! Golly, Dom. There's a structure. Come on, Jess. Come on, Jess. Actually, it's offensive. So probably
Put Rufus in space now.
oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Stay on your feet, boys. Stay on your feet.
We're just working. We're just working.
They're the ones that.
I started a little late, but I let the water break out.
Draw penalty.
Okay, head chase.
Nobody understands.
Oh, so he saw.
I mean, that penalty we had over here was
Some of the best ones I've ever been in.
sometimes they take it up.
Yeah, let's go, boys.
Rufus in space, brother. Space!
Yeah, hit it,
Space for Rufus.
Hit it, Roof.
Right.
Way to get there, Zach. Way to get there, Zach. Yeah, Javon, just take it in, kid. Oh, wow. Good support, Tom. Made it a solo tackle. Bounce. Get there, Zach. Get there. Say, you got nothing. Yeah.
Awful.
Hey, Joey. Way to go get it.
Rufus in space.
Yes.
Yeah, Rufus.
Yeah!
Go, baby. Go, get Roof in space and he's not in space. It scares me how he runs with the ball in one hand, though. I'm just like, oh my god. Rufus is fucking awesome.
Look at that Jesso lift. Jesso finna lift him.
Fish, how long have you been
Fortuny, go lift Javon, man. That's her job.
Huh?
How long have you been recording this
The whole game?
Nice job.
to know the time of the game?
Nope.
Nice job, Javon.
Protect the ball, boys.
50-22 option. 22 option. Rufus, think of the elevation, bro. You got a cannon. The cannon boot. That's a nice boot. He's gonna counter. He's gonna counter 100%. Nice job.
Let's go, boys. Stay right. Stay right.
Get him down!
Good job, Jessel.
Wrestle!
Fucking flatten that guy.
Wrestle!
Put your weight on him.
Yes!
That's fine. Stay down. Just play. Play. Woo!
Ball.
Get him down! Yes, Zach!
That's enough.
Yes, sir. Yo, I got that whack on that 13.
For the camera, Fregley is a bitch. That's the number 9. He looks dumb.
It's because they're great every time. You haven't heard me on the sideline yet. Usually I'm so scared.
That whack is gonna be crazy. What? That last whack.
There it is.
Yes!
Let's go.
I know easy on the lube with your boyfriend and still in your hand.
Zach, weak side. Watch.
No. Don't make him think.
Don't make.
He plays best when he does.
31-30 of this.
Get out of there.
Damn, boys.
Put it in the prop slot.
Let's go. Get back in.
Get it right back! Let's go!
Somebody go touch the ball.
Hey, it's okay. Next play, boys. Don't even worry about it.
I made it like 2 yards.
Joey! Come on, Joey! Ooh, good job.
Sometimes it's a strategy.
Don't engage, don't engage.
No, get him down!
Hold! We're good.
All right, good. Get that guy down. Nice tackle! Glad you're paying attention. Nice, Saber with it!
Yeah!
What?
Backwards.
Get him, get him!
He's sideways. He doesn't even know how to scrum.
Yeah, one is fucked up.
Pressure. Get him down!
Grab. There you go, Joe.
Yeah, now you go.
Hold him up!
Some more! Hold on!
That's not going on!
6 minutes.
Come on! Dude, their fucking tight head is turning sideways every time. He just doesn't know how to do it.
Bro, he's folded in.
Like you said, he's going in to start. Jessel's
Hey,
pushing him harder. Yeah, he's like fucking twisted.
Here we go. Reset. Yeah, here we go. Reset. Come on.
4 minutes. 4.5. You know, either.
Oh, the scrumming.
no, he's fine.
Right, he's fucking dogging him, but it's just like fox scrum, fox scrum. Yeah.
This is how cow pie was for us.
Nice, Ethan. Let's go. Come on.
Way to be there. Somebody get on him.
Slow down. Slow down.
Just pull it out, pull it out.
There you go.
Good.
Roll again.
Yeah, stick him over.
Pick and dry. Pick and dry.
When you listen.
Let's go, Mo.
Keep dry. Pick and dry.
Big fucking runs on Mo.
Good kid.
Don't drop it, 13!
Oh!
Yeah! Let's go!
No hands! Come on. Let's have some class. Hell no! Fuck these guys!
3 minutes. I'm a little off, but it's about 2.5. I pressed down a little.
Come on, Vail! Yes!
Way to cover it up. Way to cover it up, boys. Get with him, Jessel.
Get him in.
Down. He's down.
What?
According to Alamo, about 3 minutes.
Yeah, it's about a minute and a half.
Fregley, don't drop it!
Yeah!
Up, boys.
Out the back. Out the back.
Oh!
Get him!
Get in!
Yeah! Hey!
You dropped it. He's on the ground.
Bring it on the ground!
Let's go, baby.
Let's go!
Just get it out. 100% just get it out. It's off this time.
Just get it out. Take it safe.
Come on, boys!
Let's go, Zach. Let's go, Zach. Let's go. Walk it in, baby. Let's go, Maddie. Let's go. Let's go, Joey.
They got 2
We're down here,
Yeah! For the love of
Good, Joey.
Dude, how fucking...
Yeah!
Their battery's dead.
I've been debating going and just like cutting open their push and disconnecting them.
Yeah!